Hey guys, good morning. We're heading to Emily's first dentist appointment. We are excited. Hopefully her little teeth are good and they don't tell us anything bad because, yeah, I'm gonna be disappointed. Yeah. So we're here at Walmart. Babe wants to go fishing. So we're looking at fishing stuff.
See what we can get.
Yeah. Really? Emily is sleeping. She's so cute. So we went to Emily's dentist appointment and we didn't go to the right office. I made the appointment at the wrong office. Yeah. So we got to go back at 1:30 to the actual dentist. But we're gonna go fishing for a little bit. Okay, we made it to the spot where we're gonna fish. It's so pretty. All the way down there. We gotta go all down there. It's so nice. Hola, Emily. ¿Qué haces? ¿Vas a pescar? Sí, vas a pescar. ¡Ay, esa pancita! ¡Ay, esa pancita, pancita bonita, cateta! No, no. No, ew. You look cool with your fishing rod.
The cheap ones.
Oh, I can bring the chair here, right? But what about Emily? I'll just stand.
That's something I don't want to do.
Oh, really? What if I can't do this? Pero se mueve.
Yeah, let him get a good bite. When he does the good bite, you pull on him.
Wait, is this one?
Yeah.
We're still here. Trying to catch some fish. We're not really catching anything. Hey guys, so we just got back from the dentist office. Emily, ¿cómo te fue en el dentista? A ver esos dientitos. A ver. Uy. Uy. Oh, look, she's playing with her toothbrush. You don't do little toothpaste, mira. Ven. ¿Ya se lavan los dientes? ¿Sí? Then. So the last time I saw y'all, I was getting ready to move. And I was going to film us moving and everything, but y'all know it's a struggle to move. Like, we were so busy packing everything and just like moving everything over here to the new apartment that I didn't even have time to pull out my camera and film. But we are here. We are in the new apartment. Yay. I'm so happy. Like, there's so much space here compared to the other apartment. It's so crazy. I'm still like not even done unpacking and organizing. Like, there's still crap in bags everywhere and just a mess. Yeah, I just wanted to update y'all that we are in the new apartment, and once it's a little bit more organized, I'll give y'all a quick little tour, okay? Alright guys, I'll see y'all later. So me and Emily just finished eating our lunch, ¿verdad, mamá? ¿Comiste rico? ¿Sí? Yeah, we just finished eating. She ate some broccoli. She ate chicken nuggets and potatoes. ¿Verdad, mamá? Qué rico. And now we're gonna go take her a bath because because she is a mess. Pescado grande, pescado pequeño, pescado amarillo, pescado rojo, pescado largo, pescado corto, pescado redondo, pescado cuadrado, pescado con rayas, pescado con puntos. Okay, well that was a task. She gets really fuzzy now after her bath. Like she just wants to take a nap right after her bath. Let me turn off all these lights. Okay, now we're gonna go make her a bottle real quick. ¡Ay, qué linda se mira! ¡Ay, qué linda se mira! Emily, Emily, Emily. Ay, qué chula. We're watching Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs 2. Ay, tómale. No juegues. Yeah, that's what we're watching. Hey guys. It's currently, I believe, like 10 o'clock at night. And my day just never ends. I'm cooking dinner right now. Yeah, super late dinner. So bad, but that's just how we do here. And I gotta take Emily a second bath because now she's starting to crawl like all over the apartment, and let's just say her little knees are all dirty, even though I mop, but you know, yeah, she's a mess. So I'm about to go take her a second bath. And like I said, we're gonna eat dinner and hopefully like sit down and chill for a little bit, and then we can like go to bed, hopefully. But yeah, tomorrow we do have a doctor's appointment for Emily. She's gonna have an ultrasound of her head. The last checkup that we went to her doctor, her pediatrician told me that her head is still growing at a rapid rate that is not considered normal. She said that it could just be like she just has a big head, but we have to make sure that it's not like fluid in her head or something else like causing her the measurements to be so, you know, high. But yeah, so we're gonna go, I think it's at 10:30 in the morning, and it is in Galveston, so we have to drive like 45 minutes to get there. And I think we're gonna take advantage and just go and be at the beach for the day, so that should be fun. Emily has yet to like experience the beach, so I'm excited. So hopefully it will be a good day tomorrow. But I think that's all we're gonna do tonight. So I'll probably see you guys until tomorrow. Yeah, because I'm exhausted. I'm like, I just want to eat, chill, and go to sleep. But yeah, but I'll see y'all tomorrow. Hey guys. So we are here at the beach. Well, we're actually in the truck. Yeah, so we just got back from Walmart, and we're buying some food to eat because we are hungry. And I'm changing Emily in the car right now while Eric gets his bait. I'm changing her diaper, and I'm gonna put her little swimsuit. American Chula. She's gonna look so cute. It's her first time at the beach. So I'm glad we're able to vlog it so y'all can also experience it with us. Oh, you're so cute! Your sister looks so cute! Yay! Diles, we're ready for the beach. We're ready for the beach. We're ready for the beach. Yay! Hey guys, we made it to the beach. Oh, it feels so good out here. Oh, it's like so perfect. Emily's right here. Hola. Babe's all the way over there fishing. Got the pool here for Emily. No. Emily! Okay guys, we're here in the water and Emily's scared. Tiene miedo. She's scared to get in. Oh, the weather's so nice out here. I didn't even put sunscreen. No. Woo! So nice though. Oh, she's making a mess. Okay, we're gonna go back over there. Emily. Hola, amor. Well, guess who knocked out? Little Emily. She literally wore herself out. She played so much in the sand. And she ate so much sand too. Oh my god, I hope like she'll be good because yeah, she ate like so much sand. I must say though, first time at the beach was a success for her. She had so much fun. She was a little bit scared of the water, but other than that, she was good. Okay guys, we are heading home. I am burned so freaking bad. Well, I got freaking dark. You burned like a motherfucker. Damn. But yeah, we had so much fun. Emily is knocked out. We're just gonna go home and literally chill because we are exhausted. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end this vlog here. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I'll be seeing y'all on my next video, okay? Take care.